Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this session and this video, I'm just going to create you charting scanner, which helping you to find out a swing high and a swing low by using a pattern. So 5 candle pattern, which we are going to create in this video. And before going into the video, so I was just going to announce I have just completed my investor certification exam just today, and this is about general knowledge we can increase in the investing stock market, and about the structure and all the things which we can uh, know about the structure. This is a free certification, so where you can register it on free investor certification exam, and you can prove your as a own investor some knowledge about the investing in stock market. That's it about. So there is no fees required. So you can also register and you will be getting the study material. After completing that, you will be go for an online exam. Then when successful clear, you will be getting the certification. This is about the general knowledge about the stock market. We have already completed research analyst and mutual fund distribution, PMS distribution, and also equity derivative examination. This is what my fifth certification in NSE. So this is about a general one, so not any specific one. Okay. So let me go to create a scanner which helping you to find out a swing high level, but I'm just going to create this one with the help of charting. Okay, so here this pattern, so what I'm just exactly looking for, this is what the pattern where I'm exactly looking to find out such a way where you can see there is a high, and after next 2 days there is a two negative. Okay, and previously two bullish candles. So simply there is a bullish candle, two consecutive bullish candle, and after forming higher candle, then we are looking for a two bearish candle. So the first one is green, and the second one also be green, and third one whatever it may be, either it may be a green candle or red candle, and fourth and fifth. Just I'm just going to use 5 candles pattern, and it will be helping you to find out swing high as well as swing low, and the next two, and we are looking for a negative and a negative. So such a kind of pattern where it is happening at the highest level, and we are looking for a trend reversal, same like that where it has happened, but here it doesn't, it gives you big movement, but here it was in the like this only, and after that we got a some good reversal, and this is what an idea where I just getting, so because market is after correction, so you we may be finding a swing low also, but the two scanners will be added in our premium group. So now I'm just going to create that one. So if you are following the steps, and you can also able to create it, and let me try with the futures, and it is all about using the normal candles. So I'll just go with the current the center candle, that is the second candle should be our key candle, and left side to green and right side to red. So like that we are going to create. So first example which we are going to use an higher candle, high of that particular candle must be uh, let me try for from the second candle. Okay, that is what our reference candle. So second candle high greater than the uh, high of -3. Okay, so -3 candle high. Okay, so same which we can copy and we can add it on 4 candles. Okay, and next two candles which you are looking for, the high less than. Okay, to the high less than high of -2 candle. Here I'm just all are using the highest values because of we are going to find out the swing high. So 2 days ago, and just copy this 1 day ago. So this will help you the 5 candle pattern. So let me run the scan. Any stocks Bharat Forge today. So let me go for Bharat Forge, and here that exact pattern which is happening. So Bharat Forge, what is happening? Two candle is moving higher, and this is the highest level, and these two are lower than the previous one. But this is not an exact setup. So after this an uptrend, we have to try to find out that one for a trend reversal. But here in this exactly market is downside, it is forming such a pattern. So it is not a valid pattern or it is not a more valuable pattern. So and I want to find out that must be happen at the highest level. The high of that particular candle, the two candles ago, that would be equivalent to the maximum duration of maybe 1 month. That is a 30 candles. 30 candles 2 days ago, maximum high. So this will fetch you only the stock which forming the levels on highest level. So if I'm just creating this, we don't get any stocks today. So let me save the scan to see the back test. So let me try for a back test today. We have a lot of stocks. If you get any lot of stocks, we are not going to trade based on that. Let me check. This is the November 1st Wipro, Bank of Baroda. Let me go for a Wipro. This is what an exact pattern where I'm just looking for. So here you can see Wipro two consecutive candle, and this is the highest level compared to the last 30 days, and the next two candles are red. So this would be a valid pattern if I'm going with this candle low or this candle low, whichever is lower, I just going for a selling opportunity for a swing reversal. But here in this case where we are seeing what is happening, it is giving you almost a 130 days high. Okay, that's okay. That maybe we consider as a swings, and if you want to take much more swings prices, we can go with it. And Bank of Baroda, City Union Bank, that's forming such a pattern. But in this case, Bank of Baroda on 111. So one here is the 29th, 30th, 31st, 1 November. Here is the 1st November. This is an highest candle. Okay, almost what we have created the condition that was satisfying. So two candle and red candle and two are less than this. But here it is not a setup. I need to create the green and the red candle. So it is not about the right one. So let me try to create candle colors. So and current candle, two candle, that is a fourth candle. So close must be greater than four candle ago. That should be a close greater than open. So close greater than open, and four candle ago, that also be a four candle ago, and let me go for a three candle ago, and that should be a both red candle, and let me copy the line, and again close must be less than, so one candle ago, yes, and one candle ago, and the same which is daily. So this will fetch you all the four candles, but I am not considering the middle candle, that is the second day, the second candle. So here, if you are looking at very few number of stocks, that maybe looks okay. And let me check the first of number only Wipro. So okay, we find that Wipro is the only one. So we have initially we have three stocks. Maybe I just going to take this an opportunity, and let me go for a previous one. We have a lot of stocks, and a Chamber Grasim on 7. So let me check Grasim 7th of this month, 7th of October, 7 October. Here is the point, but the 7th October, it is a big candle. It is low less than the this two green candles. Okay, so what I'm just looking for, that low must be inside between that. Here it is not about exact pattern. So the low must be greater than the green one. Okay, so that is also be a valid point where I'm just going to create. So simply here this low should be the second. This is the third candle. Third candle low greater than the fourth one. So let me add even more. So because it may be going long, so no problem. I'm not using any um, custom indicator. I'm just simply using three candles ago low must be greater than four candles ago low. And if you have added this, and we are not getting those stock and the particular, even very less number of stocks where we are going to find out exactly we are looking at on 7th October. So let me go for a 7th October, 7th I think. Yeah, so we have seen previously grassing that not to be available, so it is removed, and also the high of this particular candle should be less than this two, and we are getting a fourth, fifth, seventh. So here two candles and two candle, and this high, second candle high should be greater than the same pattern. So third candle high greater than the fourth candle high. So this is also be a one more condition. So the opposite condition which you have created on 7th. So still we have a 4 stocks. Let me go for Balram Shini. Balram Shini, same pattern which is happening here. That's good. So those two candles bullish and the next one is the bearish and it is almost highest of the trend. And the next two candles are red. But this candle low is less than the on the previous two. And I should look for this would be less than this. So then it would be a very smaller stop loss. If you just keep going big, it would be a very big stop loss. Then the day low, that means current candle low must be greater than for low of fourth candle. Then that will be simply filtering out those stocks and we don't get any stocks on 7th November, October. We're looking at this is what October. 7th October, we don't have any stocks. I think this is a 3rd October. ACC BPCL. So let me go for a BPCL and this may be helping you. So where you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here below we are going to sell. So maybe a swing reversal and this I should be my stop loss. And now it works very well. Okay, so we are nearing to that scanner that we are finding out the swing high and ACC. So let me go for an ACC. That is also be the same pattern. 1, 2, and this is what a day. But we got an alert by third of the month only, or yeah, third of the month because we have 5 candle third of the particular month. So we will be finding at the low of the swing, and this may be a stop loss, and it is giving you some trend reversal on from the top level. Okay, that's good. And let me check even any more modification or thing. But now it is very less number of stocks. Dr. Reddy 23.8. Dr. Reddy 23.8. It's an 8th month, August. Yeah, this is a pattern. I think that is also works very well. So 23.8 is the level where we got a lower here, and this is at a swing high, and after that it is giving you some correction. Maybe right now the market is corrected, but the scanner will finding out swing reversal with the 5 candle pattern, so that maybe works. Let me check randomly. Sriram IPCA granulars, Sriram Finance. Yeah, Sriram Finance. That is also be a good. And sorry, this is happening on 1st October. Let me check. Okay, Sriram Finance previously 23.8. 23.8. Here it may be a stop loss, very smaller stop loss got triggered. In the same pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is happening this time. This time it was giving you such a good result. Let me check where the 1st October where the stop is filtered. Yeah, Sriram Finance is there. Maruti also be there in the 1st October. So let me check. Yeah, this is also be a perfect one. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and that low and this high is the stop loss. Let me check the swing reversal or finding a swing high with the charting scanner. So maybe around 4% and it was down huge from 13,000 almost 11,000. But right now the market is correction, but previously before the correction also we have a stocks and that was working well. And this is about June, July, SBI Life, maybe that will work for SBI Life 30th July. Let us 30th 7 July. Yeah, I think here 30th July. There is a low. If it is breaks, we can look for. But unfortunately, the high is broken and it may be not a valid. So before break the low and it was broken the high. But even reversal also it works well. But this is not a right pattern. But because this is whatever area where we are finding out reversal, but the low of that particular candle is not broken. Within that, it is forming a new high, new swing high. So we can ignore that also. And a Petronet Biocon. So what we are planning, so almost we completed. And if any modification also, if you are let me know and we can add it. 30th, 31st, 30th July. Yeah, 30th June, right? So 37, yeah, June. 37. Here is the pattern, and this is works well. And 30th 7, and the low is broken on 2 candles. The high is our stop loss, and it is generative more than what we are expected. And one more thing, Petronet. I don't want to take this long, and already we created a scanner, and 30 30 30 19th second first 30th. So this will also be the pattern, but in this case it went the lower after the breakdown, and it was triggers your stop also, not the highest point. So that we filtered, and this time the second candle 30th, yeah, that's right. So in second candle also we can add it red daily close less than open, and we can add 1 day close less than that, we have already added. Okay, so this will help you to find out the swing higher level on based on the charting on daily time frame. So let me try this, and if you have any good feedback, just give me a. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.